Good day to one and all present here. It gives me immense pleasure to welcome you all to the Youth Parliament 2021 of Poa Public School. The Youth Parliament is a structured simulation for educating the students on the functioning of our parliamentary system. It helps the youth to realize their roles and responsibilities as a citizen of India. The young generation of a country embodies the future of that country, and Poa Public School recognizes every tender mind and hence provides them opportunity to put forth their views and exchange ideas in order to find solutions to the problems faced by Athens, state and the nation, thus benefiting their futures and ours. Whether e-learning should be continued or school should start operating physically.
Yes, proceedings of sitting. Vaishnavi Tupe, Reporter 1.
Yes. Good morning all. This is Vaishnavi Tupe from Z News channel. We are all set for the Youth Parliament in the lower house. All precautions against the coronavirus are followed, including the staggered sitting for both houses and social distancing between the MPs.
Reporter 2. Yes, Ruchira. Yes, now you can read. Say. Ruchira, your voice is not audible. Yes, Ruchira. Ruchira Baral. Yes, you can speak, child. Unmute from your side. No, you're not audible, child. Okay, maybe having some connectivity problem. Okay, I'll read for you. This is Ruchira Baral from your own channel, Sam TV. Today we will get the actual confirmation whether the physical school will reopen or not. All the ministers of the treasury and the members of parliament have arrived with their masks on and are maintaining the social distancing norms. Okay, reporter 3. Yes.
This is Shaurya Bhogan from your favorite channel Aaj Tak. Our sources have informed us that the timings of the houses have been shortened to 4 hours each. Today, the timing of Lok Sabha will be from 12:45 p.m. to 2 p.m. only. All the parents, especially from the urban areas, are anxiously waiting for the schools to reopen physically.
I welcome you all to the first National Youth Parliament session 2021. We will begin today's session with the oath or affirmation of the newly elected members. Secretary General, please proceed with the oath-taking ceremony.
Arhan Pawar, unmute child.
I, Arhan Pawar, having been elected a member of the lower house of the Youth Parliament, do swear in the name of God that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by the laws established, and that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India, and that I will faithfully discharge the duties upon which I am about to enter.
Secretary General.
Honorable Speaker, the name of bill is Physical Reopening of Schools. I now call upon the Prime Minister to introduce the bill.
Honorable Madam Speaker, traditional classroom education can be dated back to the ancient times. One-on-one or in-person teaching is effective and demonstrates increased level of student engagement with the teachers. It also encourages higher level of competitiveness among students. Online learning can be tedious for most of the students as they tend to procrastinate due to a lack of self-discipline, and teachers also face the challenge of engaging students. The social environment at the traditional school is perfect to build a child's character and personality. This aspect cannot be replaced by any online teaching method. Students learn better in an environment and learn from fellow students.
I now call upon the leader Gayatri Sonawne of the opposition to place a point of argument.
Honorable Speaker, the opening of educational
ऑनलाईन शिक्षण पूर्णपणे तंत्रज्ञान आधारलेले आहे.
staff and the public. The students traveling in public transport and shared conveyances potentially contract COVID-19 from others and infect co-passengers too. The parents care for their children more themselves. If schools and colleges reopen, it will be difficult to manage the frantic rush of students and their parents to the testing centers and hospitals. No parent would allow their COVID-sick children at home as they would infect other family members too. The pediatric wards and hospitals will be overcrowded, putting excessive pressure on doctors and healthcare workers, especially in rural areas. We need additional quarantine and isolation facilities as most homes are small. Are we prepared for such insurgence in COVID cases?
Now the question hour begins. During this pandemic situation, regular classes are not the priority now. True, there is no alternative to it. At present, our focus is on holding incident-free learning, measure for fair and effective education for our children of all classes will unfold in the future. We are seeking the opinion of parents on reopening of the school and the steps needed to be taken.
Any member who would like to speak further on this bill, please stand.
आदरणीय स्पीकर, ऑनलाइन शिक्षा में अध्यापकों के सामने समस्याएं आती है। ऑनलाइन शिक्षा में छात्रों के वीडियोस बंद रहते हैं। कुछ छात्रों की नेटवर्क की समस्या होती है तो कुछ छात्र ऐसे ही वीडियो बंद करके बैठते हैं और बार-बार बताने पर भी वीडियो शुरू नहीं करते। उस वक्त छात्र क्या कर रहे हैं पता नहीं चलता। कनेक्टिविटी की समस्या, रेंज की समस्या भी आती है। छात्र सामने नहीं होते, इसलिए सामने उनके कॉपी में की गई गलतियां नहीं बता सकते। समय की सीमा होती है। छात्र समय पर क्लास ज्वाइन नहीं करते, देर से क्लास ज्वाइन करते हैं। छात्रों ने कॉपी में कार्य पूरा किया है या नहीं बता नहीं सकते, पता नहीं चलता। वार्तालाप कम होता है।
Say unmute and say. Say unmute, child.
Yes, ma'am.
Continue.
छात्रों की मानसिक और शारीरिक दृष्टि से ऑनलाइन क्लासेस हानिकारक है।
छात्र अपना सभी शिकायत दृश्यावल माध्यम से ही पूर्ण करते हैं।
इसके लिए वे कई घंटे उस माध्यम के साथ बैठते हैं। इस कारण उनके शरीर के हलचल कम हो रहे हैं, वे व्यायाम नहीं कर पा रहे हैं। आजकल के खेल के लिए भी आम उम्र में ही उनकी आंखों की दृष्टि कम होती जा रही है। आजकल के खेल के लिए भी मोबाइल लैपटॉप का उपयोग करते हैं। इस कारण उनको डिवाइस की आदत सी पड़ गई है। डिवाइस उनके रोजमर्रा के जीवन का एक हिस्सा बन गया।
उनकी यह मानसिकता हो गई है कि इस माध्यम के बिना उनका कार्य पूर्ण नहीं हो सकता। वे रिश्तेदारों से दूर दूर रहने लगे हैं, अकेला बैठना पसंद करते हैं। बच्चों को इस स्थिति से बाहर लाने के लिए स्कूल शुरू करनी होगी।
Honorable Speaker, how do you think online classes are beneficial to students?
Online classes are beneficial to students. Initially, students found online classes very difficult. As time passed, students became self-reliant and techno-savvy. They got comfort of home while attending the classes. They are learning under controlled conditions. And the most important thing, they are safe enough during this pandemic situation.
Those who agree to say aye, those who disagree say no.
Aye. Aye.
No.
Online classes has been proved an essential and effective tool for education.
I disagree with what you said just now. In traditional classrooms, teachers can give students immediate face-to-face feedback. Students who are experiencing problems in the curriculum can resolve them quickly, either during the lecture or during the dedicated office hours. Personalized feedback has a positive impact on students as it makes learning processes easier, richer, and more significant, all the while raising the motivation levels of the students. E-learning, on the other hand, still tends to struggle with students' feedback.
Online classes affect the social life of the students. They make participating students under contemplation, remoteness, and a lack of interaction. As a result, many of the students and teachers who inevitably spend much of their time online can start experiencing signs of social isolation due to the lack of human communication in their lives. Social isolation coupled with lack of communication often leads to several mental health issues such as heightened stress, anxiety, and negative thoughts.
Okay, well said. Good. Yes, Rugved. Unmute child. Yes, Rugved, unmute and say. First, you have to unmute from your side. Yes,
ma'am.
Say.
Can online teaching provide the same benefit as face-to-face classes?
Of course not. From my point of view, online learning is like swimming without water. It cannot be substituted for face-to-face learning. It is complementary to class teaching. In other words, e-learning alone will not
Okay, it is complementary to classroom teaching. In other words, e-learning alone will not succeed without traditional face-to-face learning because e-learning hasn't achieved the desired aims or results.
Those who agree say aye, those who disagree say no.
Aye. Aye.
Aye.
Aye.
No.
Aye.
Aye.
No.
Aye.
Aye.
No.
Aye.
Aye.
Okay. Sarth.
Aye.
Sarth Mahajan. Unmute and say yes.
Aye.
Yes, Sarth. Be louder, child.
इयत्ता 8वी ते 12वीच्या विद्यार्थ्यांची शाळा सुरू केली आहे. पण इयत्ता 1 ते 7वीच्या विद्यार्थ्यांची शाळा सुरू करावी की नाही या विषयाला स्थगिती देण्यात आली. कारण लहान विद्यार्थी स्वतःची काळजी घ्यावी इतके सुज्ञ नाहीत. तसेच त्यांच्या वयाचा व नाजूक शरीराचा विचार करता त्यांची शाळा सुरू करावी की नाही या मुद्द्याला स्थगिती देण्यात आली आहे. कोरोना या आजारावर अजूनही लसीची निर्मिती झाली नाही. तसेच जरी लसीची निर्मिती झाली तरी त्यांच्या मानवी शरीरावर होणाऱ्या परिणामांचा विचार करता प्राथमिक विद्यार्थ्यांची शाळा सुरू करायच्या निर्णयाला स्थगिती देण्यात आली आहे.
Yes. Leader of ruling party.
ऑनलाइन क्लास की वजह से छात्रों की सृजन क्षमता कम होती जा रही है.
कक्षा की शुरुआत तो दृक श्रव्य माध्यम से ही होती है. छात्र अध्यापन तो करते हैं, लेकिन जब गृह कार्य गतिविधि पूर्ण करने का समय आता है तब एक तो वो अपने माता पिता से मदद मांगते हैं या गूगल का सहारा लेते हैं. ऐसा करते हुए वे उत्तर ढूंढते रहते हैं. उन्हें उत्तर तो मिल जाता है, लेकिन वह यह समझ नहीं पाते कि उनकी सोचने की शक्ति, स्मरण शक्ति, नया कुछ निर्माण करने की शक्ति वे खो रहे हैं.
Yes, Soham. Unmute. Yes. Say.
आदरणीय लोकसभा अध्यक्ष, ऑनलाइन शिक्षण हे पूर्णपणे तंत्रज्ञान व तांत्रिक बाबींवर आधारलेले आहे. तंत्रज्ञान व तांत्रिक बाबींची माहिती व कौशल्य प्राप्त शिक्षक, पालकही ह्या पद्धतीचे शिक्षणाची प्राथमिक गरज आहे, जे सहज शक्य नाही. पैसा व इतर बाबींच्या उपलब्धतेवर अवलंबून आहे. म्हणूनच खूप कमी विद्यार्थी अशा प्रकारचे शिक्षण घेऊ शकतात.
ऑनलाईन शिक्षणामुळे विद्यार्थ्यांमध्ये बेशिस्त, अप्रामाणिकपणा, बेजबाबदारपणा वाढण्याची व शिक्षणाचे गांभीर्य कमी होण्याची भीती. ऑनलाईन शिक्षण म्हणजे स्वयंशिस्त व स्वयं अध्ययन यावर आधारित शिक्षण होय. फार कमी विद्यार्थी अशा प्रकारे शिक्षण आत्मसात करू शकतात.
याउलट चंचल शिक्षणाकडे कमी कल असणारी व विशेष मुले ज्यांना वैयक्तिक मार्गदर्शनाची आवश्यकता आहे, अशा विद्यार्थ्यांना ऑनलाईन शिक्षणामुळे ते लाभू शकत नाही. म्हणून विद्यार्थ्यांमध्ये बेशिस्त, अप्रामाणिकपणा, बेजबाबदारपणा वाढण्याची व शिक्षणाची गांभीर्य कमी होण्याची भीती वाढत आहे. Online classes are limited to few subjects. They tend to be more suitable for social science and humanities rather than scientific fields such as medical science and engineering, which require a certain degree of hands-on practical
experience. No amounts of online lectures can substitute an auto speak for medical students or real life industrial training for a budding engineer. Keeping in mind the practice them to the school only for the science practical, which is not possible in the online classes, but the safety measures should be documented as strict guidelines to be followed. Apart from this, regular physical school seems to be next to impossible in near future, as now this disease has become airborne too.
Currently, out of 94,30,973 active cases worldwide, India has 1,05,42,841 active cases. With this kind of unsafe environment, we should first think about the safety of upcoming generation, as they will form the future of our country. A delay in education by 1 year is much affordable than getting their life.
Those leaders in favor of the bill will raise their right hand. Results of the division. The number of votes for the bill is 34 by 45. The number of votes against the bill is 11 by 45. Minister of Education, please.
Kshitij.
Yes. Honorable Speaker, we must appreciate the efforts of teachers in conducting online classes during the pandemic. Teachers are doing all they can and proving to be essential in fight against COVID-19. I take the opportunity to acknowledge the measures and efforts in by the teachers in conducting online classes during the uncertainty. I appreciate their struggle. Class.
Continue, child.
Upgrade their technical knowledge to keep in progress of learning going based on the elaborate and holistic discussion by the House. Speaker, ma'am, I request the House to pass the bill.
Secretary General, please read the bill.
Honorable Speaker, classroom environment is a free space for children to interact with all aspects that provide collaborative learning. It enhances students' critical thinking skills. Teaching in a classroom allows the students the opportunity to engage in live discussions in which they are forced to use their critical thinking skills to formulate opinions or arguments. Inside a classroom, students' interactions with peers and establish rapport with teachers. Helping children develop socially is an important aspect of the realm of their academic education.
In live classroom, students are being honorable speaker. In live classroom, students are being prepared to do schoolwork. The social, mental, and physical development needs to be enhanced, which is only possible in physical classroom. Hence, with all the precautionary measures, opening of physical classroom may prove to be fruitful for higher grades, with consent of parents.
Thank you, members. House is now adjourned.
The reporters waiting outside the parliament are curious to know about the bill. Reporter 4.
Excuse
you
me,
are.
sir. Please tell.
Say.
Excuse me, sir. Please tell us, was the bill passed in the House?
The bill is still in the process.
Please tell us when the school will reopen.
First, the guidelines will be issued by the schools and the opinions of the parents will be considered.
Avni, be louder, side.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, should I start the vote of thanks?
Yes. Yes, Avni Nade. Yes.
Gratitude is the healthiest of all human emotions. The more you express gratitude for what you have, the more likely you will have even more to express gratitude for. On behalf of all, I deem it a great privilege to stand before you to propose the words of gratitude for being with us. We extend our sincere thanks to the principal, Mr. Devendra Kumar, headmistress, Mrs. Meeta Grover, and our coordinator, Mrs. Ritu Saxena. An event like this cannot take place overnight. The wheel towards the culmination starts rolling weeks ago. We have been fortunate enough to be backed by a wonderful group of teachers. Last but not least, we thank all the parents present here. Your encouragement always helps us